Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I actually wanted to talk about the Alani Nu energy drinks. I am so obsessed with these drinks. I love them so much. And if you're doing Weight Watchers or WW, these are 0 points on Weight Watchers, which is amazing. These are so good. So first things first, let's talk about their packaging. This is their old packaging, and they revamped it and it looks like this. I think this is so freaking cute. I am a sucker for packaging. I love a good packaging. I love the aesthetics and all that stuff, but I have tried a lot of different flavors of these, and these three that I have here are my all-time favorites. This is the Tropsicle, which I actually think is like my #1 favorite. My #1 favorite for over a year has been the Hawaiian shaved ice. This is so good. If you love coconut, this will just, oh my God, it's just like sitting on a beach, and it has some carbonation on there, but definitely not like a soda. It's a light carbonation. It's so good. This flavor is incredible. I love this flavor so much. And this flavor here, I think, has just taken the #1 spot. I love it. Tropsicle. It's so good. It literally just tastes like a sparkling pineapple. It's so good. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. These two here are, I get these from GNC, and you can also do a subscribe and save thing with GNC. So what they'll end up doing is they'll end up sending you a case of your drinks of choice every 30 days, but you can always alter that. Like, you can change it, you can skip that month. But I, for the longest, just got 2 cases of the Hawaiian shaved ice delivered to me every month, because I think there are only 12 in a case, and I drink these every single day for breakfast. I love them so much. So I think these are the 2 that I'm gonna be getting. Or I don't know, because this watermelon wave is so good. I finally got my hands on it, and I didn't think I was gonna like it because I'm a weirdo. I don't like watermelon. Every time I tell somebody I don't like watermelon, they think I'm so weird. But this does not taste like watermelon at all. It tastes like a fruit punch. I personally don't get a hint of watermelon in this, and it's so good. It's really, really sweet too. So I typically drink these for breakfast, but if you have a sweet tooth, you can always grab one of these. And the thing that I love most about these energy drinks is that they are not going to give you like a crash. I used to drink a lot of Red Bulls and Monsters, and they would give me energy for a little bit, but a few hours later I was feeling that sugar crash, and these don't have that, or at least I don't feel it with these. These are also good for pre-workout. If you are into that stuff, you can always drink one of these like 30 minutes before your workout, and it gives you a little bit of an energy boost. But let me tell you guys what flavors I've had and like my opinion on those flavors. So aside from these 3 that I have here, I've tried Cosmic Stardust, which I did not like that one at all. That one tastes like straight up grape syrup Tylenol. It was not good at all. And I think I was on that stuff that day when I ordered it, because I ordered like 2 cases of it, and I did not care for it at all. It was a struggle getting through those. Another one that I tried was Carnival Candy Grape. Only because I like to watch videos and stuff, and I hear people's opinion and people talk about how good they are. And I did try Carnival Candy Grape because this girl who I follow was like, that's my favorite flavor. And I was like, okay, maybe it doesn't, maybe it just tastes good. Like, maybe it tastes like grapes. But I didn't really like it that much. Another one that is really, really good is Arctic White. I would definitely repurchase that one. In my personal opinion, Rainbow Candy is another one. They all have like a hint of like grape, and I just don't like grape that much. Like the Cosmic Stardust, the Carnival Candy, and the Rainbow Candy, to me all tasted the same. So I definitely wouldn't repurchase them. And they're kind of expensive. I think they're like $27.99 per pack. So I get a little iffy, you know, like, I don't know. I just get a little iffy buying them because if you don't like them, then I don't know. I still drink them because they're expensive, but which other, oh, the peach rings I also tried and I didn't really like. So if Hawaiian shaved ice, if that didn't work out for me, then I probably wouldn't be like a big fan. I probably wouldn't be the fan that I am now. But the Hawaiian shaved ice, if you love coconut, you are going to love it because it reminds me of God, what does it taste like? Kind of like a coconut shaved ice, literally. Like, it's so good. I love it. And then the Tropsical, if you love pineapple, you are gonna like it. And then the watermelon wave is the fruit punch. So if you like fruit punch and pineapple and coconut, then those are the flavors that you're gonna like. If you're not a grape person, do not get Cosmic Stardust, Rainbow Candy, or Carnival Candy Grape. Arctic White, I remember really liking it, but I'm kind of blanking on the flavor. It maybe had like a berry taste to it, but I would definitely repurchase it because I do remember liking it. And I happened to get on GNC's website one day and I saw that they had a watermelon wave in stock, and supposedly that one was like a #1 seller, and I was like, I don't like watermelon, but I decided to get it anyway, and I'm so glad that I did. I've already gone through like a case. I think I only have very few little left, and I'm gonna add it to my subscribe and save. It's so good. I don't know. I may alter that one with the Hawaiian shaved ice. Like, I'm always gonna get Tropsical delivered, so I may change like the Hawaiian shaved ice for the watermelon wave 1 month, and then, you know, vice versa. But the Tropsical is my favorite, and yeah, it's so good. But I think I've tried all the flavors. The only one that I haven't tried is mimosa, and I'm not interested in trying that flavor. I do keep hearing how good it is, so it's a little intriguing, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna try it. I'm not. But yeah, you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments below which one you've tried, which one you've liked. Did you like the Cosmic Stardust? Do you not like it? Or, you know, Carnival Candy Grape, whatever. Just let me know in the comments down below. I think it's so cool, like how all of us are so different and all have different taste buds and stuff. We're all unique. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next